Welcome. My name is Eli Rovit, and I'll be taking you through my storyboard process. Let's go. First place I come to is my notebook. Here I have a prompt for Batman Chases a Thug. I start exploring through rough thumbnails, very crude, and when I find one I like, I'll bring it through some different iterations until I'm happy with it, and I move on to the next step, which is reference. Here's the one I like. It has a tunnel, Batman above, and a guy running away. Pretty simple, huh? So I developed it further. How can I heighten this, make it more interesting? Here I have a Dutch angle, a long cast shadow, Batman perched above, a foreground element, maybe a background through the tunnel. And from this point here, I get to know exactly what I want. So I go out, I find reference to fit all this. That's a good pose for Batman, a good pose for the thug, and an environment that can look something like this. Here I am after finding my reference, and I'll draw the reference on individual pieces of paper. In order to find the best composition, I have to move these elements around to where they feel the best. I'm not going to draw everything on this one page, and if something doesn't work out, there's a tangent I don't like, erase the whole thing and move it. No, this way is much better if you're working traditionally. And once I find the position I like, I'll come over with the final sheet that everything is drawn on and do it in. Once I have my final composition, it's going to look something like this. Guy running away, Batman up here, and then I add some elements like some graffiti to move the eye around, a city in the background. I want to take it to the next level though, so I got some feedback, and the response was to take the thug, make him bigger, and take the overall composition and make it tighter. Here's my final pass, finished digitally in Storyboard Pro. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoyed. Cheers.